In this video, we're going to show you the ultimate buy-sell indicators strategy that will change the way you trade. We will reveal to you the recently detected very powerful combination of unknown trading indicators you will ever need to be a pro trader. What's more, we will demonstrate the effectiveness of this strategy by showing its major profitability and risk metrics after backtesting it 100 times. Also, the strategy proved to be effective on different time frames and asset classes, including crypto, forex, options, and stocks. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, known as QuantAlgo. This algo tells you when to buy and when to sell, giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Before we move on, if you want to show us your support and speed up the release of a lot of new content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell. It's only 2 clicks, but it means a lot to us. As for now, let's create the strategy by adding all required indicators to the chart and discussing the trading rules for the given strategy. Firstly, open the indicators window, type JFD adaptive, and choose this indicator. Now, open the settings and turn off the show signals option. Classically, the first indicator always helps us determine the directional bias for the trade. When the indicator's line becomes green, we receive an early bullish bias, keeping our eyes on only long trade setups. At the same time, when the JFD adaptive line turns red, this means an early bearish bias, causing us to look for short setups only. But, as you can see, we have some false signals right here, so let's eliminate them by adding the next indicators. So, return to the indicators window, type Lyapunov-Hodrick-Prescott, and then choose the following indicator created by locks. Open the settings, and in the Inputs tab disable color bars and show signals. Then, open the Style section and make our signal line wider. Repeat the same with the following points. With that, when our signal line is above the upper and lower gray lines, it has a green color, which means bullish conditions. When the signal line is located below the upper and lower gray lines, it is colored red, telling us about bearish bias. With that being said, this is our first confirmation event. When the JFD adaptive indicators line becomes green, the oscillator's line should also be green. Absolutely the opposite is true for the bearish case. In case we have a red JFD adaptive line, the Lyapunov oscillator's line along the bottom must be red as well. So, moving on to the last indicator. Lastly, click on the Indicators tab, type RSI past, and add this exact indicator. In this case, let's remain all input and style tabs unchanged. So, this is the final component of our strategy, which is poised to filter false signals on irrelevant pullbacks and false breakouts as the indicator takes into account longer data, thus eliminating short-term noise. With this in mind, to confirm the previous steps, we must spot a green area along the bottom in a bullish case. Consequently, the RSI past area should be red to validate conditions for the trade short. At this point, let's put all the aforementioned steps together and consider live examples with all essential exceptions and risk management rules. Before we continue, we want to recommend to you our trusted and transparent broker, known as AAAFX. AAAFX offers the fastest trade execution with near zero spreads and a deep liquidity pool, giving you institutional-grade liquidity. Moreover, the broker offers ultra-fast commission-free withdrawals within 12 hours. You can trade over 70 forex pairs with up to 500 leverage, over 10 global indexes with up to 200 leverage, over 100 world's major blue-chip stocks with up to 5 leverage, major cryptos, and major commodities with solid leverage and fast execution. Furthermore, AAAFX services are integrated with ZulaTrade, which allows traders to copy trade from ZulaTrade master accounts directly to your account. Finally, this broker offers a multiplicity of trading platforms, including MT4, MT5, and ACT Trader. So, click the link in the description to check it out. Here's $CAD, a 30-minute time frame. As you can see, the JFD adaptive indicator turns green right here, giving us an early bullish bias. Next, we can see that the Lyapunov-Hodrick-Prescott oscillator confirms the first step as the line is also green. Lastly, the RSI past area is green as well, so that all trading rules are met. So, we enter the trade on this candle, with a stop loss below the recent swing low, and target 1.5 for 1 risk to reward. And, boom, the price successfully hits our take profit. When it comes to exceptions, as always, we will skip all the signals that occur on the momentum candles during the backtesting process. Now, let's view a bearish example. Here's Meta Platforms stock, a 15-minute time frame. So, the JFD adaptive line becomes red right here, giving us an unconfirmed sell signal. Then, the oscillators line is red as well. Finally, the RSI past indicator is red. We enter the trade on this candle. Since the previous high is far from the price, we may place the stop loss at the JFD red line and target 1.5 for 1 risk to reward. Once again, the price dropped and smashed our target. With that being said, let's backtest this buy sell strategy 100 times on the euro-dollar pair, a 5-minute time frame, and assess the findings. We just accomplished the backtesting process. As you can see, the win rate has been at 70% after 100 trades, which is a superb value. Moving on, the account would hypothetically advance by 331.9%, which is a solid result. For instance, if you start with $1,000 initial equity, this strategy will generate a net gain of about $3,300 after 100 trades. Also, it is important to note that we found those 100 trades in less than 2 months. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, QuantAlgo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access QuantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this algo will put you at a disadvantage. Next, we received a profit factor of 3.5, which is set to be a perfect number. Let's take a closer look at some risk stats. We experienced 12 successive winning trades against 5 losses in a row, resulting in a 2.4 win-loss ratio. The 5 consecutive losing trades led to a max drawdown of 7.76%. Now, let's open a spreadsheet with our tested strategies and put this one into it. So, this strategy is 4th with regard to account growth and 6th in terms of win rate. With that, feel free to apply this strategy or just some indicators in your trading. So if you are enjoying the video, leave a like on it and subscribe to our channel, as it always motivates us to release more new content more often. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.